So this is the last unit of the attendance and benefit tracking in NPC for programs. We're going to manage ad hoc disbursements and anonymous recipients. What's interesting is that if a benefit doesn't have any related benefit schedules or sessions, then we can use this ad hoc piece. But if it does have a benefit session, you must add recipients to the benefit session as participants to track disbursements. Not sure what we do if we have a benefit schedule without a session. But in this case, we're talking about where participation isn't scheduled in advance. So the first step is to find and select the cafe service benefit, and then click New Ad Hoc Disbursement on the benefit record. You may have to click the down arrow first. So we're able to do this using the app that we built, which is really just navigates to all the different objects. So we're going to go to Benefits. We're going to look and find Cafe Service. We're going to open it up. Turns out we do have to use this drop down to get to New, but I'm not sure why, given we have New Opportunity, New Lead. I guess we could just remove those. But let's do New Ad Hoc Bulk Benefits. So walk in, 1, today's date, and click Next. We're again back to select either account or contact to filter the list, or filter it by a particular list view. So we're going to select account and go grab Joe. So we can look at accounts or contacts, and we can look at our list views that we've built. And they've suggested we search for Joe. And again, rather than clicking here, if we click here, what do we get? Show selected. We do get Joe. Okay, so that's good to see. So let's click Save. And the benefit disbursement was created. And it says for each participant we've selected, a benefit disbursement, assignment, and program enrollment is created. A disbursement, assignment, and program role is created. So those are all related to program. So Cafe Service is part of food distribution. We can look at related lists and see who our enrollments are. And then we can see that we also did today Joe Silvis. And that was created tonight. And looking at related, there's a benefit assignment and a benefit distribution showing a dispersed quantity. So all those records were created. So the second part of this unit is working with anonymous recipients. So they're saying, what happens if we don't know who the person is? Well, every benefit disbursement record requires an associated program enrollment record, but it can be for an anonymous recipient. So we're just kind of creating a bucket called anonymous recipients. So looking up anonymous, I do find there's 3 program enrollments for other programs. So we're looking at program enrollments. We're creating a new program enrollment. And again, a program enrollment has to have a program. So we're associating anonymous recipients because that's who we created here. And status is in progress. But no contact or account. So we're saving. The program enrollment was created. Interesting, we're missing a chunk here called Program Enrollment Overview. Interesting that they use the British pronunciation for program enrollment. And then they spell it down here in the English way. So then we can create benefit distributions. We're going out to our benefits, all benefits with details. We're going to Cafe Service, which is food distribution, and with a meal, so it's account. And here again, we're doing the down arrow to New Ad Hoc Bulk Disbursement for a benefit. We're making it anonymous, and there's 4 of them. Date is today, and the recipients is 4. And we're saving that. So the key is that this does work with roll-ups. And now looking up Anonymous, we have Anonymous Cafe Diners. And looking at the related tab for the program enrollment, we do have benefit distributions with 4 for today. So that seems to be working. Having finished the attendance benefit tracking, we can now move on to look at NonProfit Cloud for Programs Case Management, which will then show case management and care plans, which are significant and really is the objective of this whole stream. Hope this is all making sense to you.